Sending money from GO2BANK to PayPal instantly is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to your PayPal account. Navigate to the wallet section. Click on link a card or bank. Follow the prompts to link your GO2BANK account by providing the necessary account information. Once your GO2BANK account is linked to PayPal, initiate a transfer from your GO2BANK account to your PayPal account. Log in to your GO2BANK account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. Choose the option to transfer funds to an external bank account or card. Select your linked PayPal account as the recipient and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and complete the transfer. Once the funds are in your PayPal account, you can use them for various purposes, including sending money to others, making online purchases, or withdrawing to your linked bank account if needed. If you need to send money to someone else via PayPal, you can do so directly from your PayPal balance, which should reflect the transferred funds from your GO2BANK account.